There are two sides to every story, and then there is the truth. Harmonic mapping tracks what's shared, proved by a spectral sleuth. Two views, the walk that wanders and the rule that stays. One view counts the turning, one view weighs the rays. Orbit lists all images that a symmetry may emit. Truth is the invariant that survives every split. Right evolution as a graph, states as points, moves as edges. Local steps compose, ledger keeps the pledges. Different routes can reach the same intended class. Harmonic mapping tests what every path must pass. One side writes the steps, one side reads the whole. One side tracks the path, one side extracts the pole. Many stories differ, one invariant more. Each evolution maps home, one normal form is stored. The harmonic operator maps change back to the core. For local steps to global form, compressed and stored. When stories disagree, project to what is shared. Home is the invariant pulled from what is compared. One channel flips a sign when parity turns. One channel counts the grade, the anchor confirms. Let sign track parity through every state. Let degree stay anchored so grading stays straight. Each state contributes a sign and a weight. Signs alternate by parity, grades annotate. Some across the ledger, cancellations do their part. Truth is the coefficient pattern left in the chart. Orbit is multiplicity, every symmetric face. Selection is a choice, one representative in place. Coaching wandering paths, keep the class that will not bend. The harmonic operator makes equivalence the end. Growth multiplies on edges, products swell to more. Ledger writing needs step sums it can store. Log turns ratios to increments. The sum in line scale becomes distance, and drift becomes design. Define log scale on the ledger's object graph, a chart. Edge weights out of long walks, totals do not depart. Cycle sums vanish, endpoints fix the measured class. The anchor set the zero when comparisons survive each pass. When scale is additive, detours cost the same. Equivalent paths collapse to one measured chain. Cancellation turns negative to structure that will remain. Log converts stable expansion to an additive domain. Harmonic resonance holds growth to what can bind. Lift local steps to global form, resonance aligned. When scale runs unbounded, keep structure in control. Structure of infinity is the map. Fixed points shape the whole. Limb reads the ledger, tail differences fall. Anchor pins the norm, so one scale rules them all. Cosheet tails collapse, deviations from base decline. Convergence follows structure, not a relabeled sign. Sigma delta says for any tolerance set, choose an input bound so outputs stay met. Refine the update, remainder drops with each pass. The ledger reads one stable value for the class. Sign alternations cancel, degree stays aligned. What cancels was drift, what remains can be defined. Fixed seals the normal form that refinements cannot shift. Mapped evolution stands complete, ledger holds the lift. Context can shift while visible value stays. Phase can rotate down concealed interpretive ways. The silent operator moves in the hidden lane. The UKD an anchor binds a shift to the ledger chain. Pi decoder turns key chain digits into weight. Twisted returns, rephase the path. Signs alternate, each non-orientable loop decodes to a sum to solve. The ledger keeps the factor as cancellations evolve. Two equations, one ledger, same grade, two views. One writes power relations, one checks what the ledger proves. Remove the anchor reference, raise split the plane. A ring window decides which moves remain. 4-ray and 6-ray windows partition the admissible field. Gaussian and Eisenstein choices, yet each refuses to yield. Map evolution, Lex selects the window that holds sign and degree. Coherence quotient unfolds, write both equations to one graded ledger page. Let log make scale comparable, let limit fix the gauge. Turn obstruction into structure negatives, turn the game. The harmonic operator reads one ledger, building new domains. Building new domain. Two sides remain, the quotient holds the line. Signs parity, degree anchors spectra refine. Write by log, read by limb, sealed by fixed, the ledger marks the root. Home, the invariant residue beyond infinity, the pursuit.